Hi guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video of the PX-988 temperature control digital soldering iron that I got from Banggood. So this is the box itself. And this is the soldering iron. I was looking around for a soldering iron because I have been using this soldering iron. This one is operated using batteries, and this is not temperature control. So basically what you do is you just turn on the solder iron and you press these buttons to ensure that it's power on. So sometimes if you press it too long, the temperature will go too high, so you need really to control the temperature by pushing it or releasing it, pushing it, releasing it, and then you just do it by experience. So sometimes it's not that great, but after a while, after you've done it a few times, you basically know when to press and when to release to get the right temperature. But still it's not that fantastic, but it's a very good solder iron in any event. But I want to see what the fuss is about with temperature control. So the TS100, which has a very good review on YouTube, is too expensive, and I don't want to buy that. And because I don't do a lot of soldering, especially with quadcopter, so I don't really need to invest so much money in a very expensive soldering iron. So I was looking around and I found this. I think this is around US dollars, maybe $18 or something, and it is temperature control. And if you look, let's compare the size. It's also quite small. The tip is a bit bigger, but then it tapers to the front, so yeah, it's not really that big tips. You can still use it to solder small components. So it is powered by this power cord, which is AC, I think, and then you get the adapter for the countries that you are living in. So this one is the Australian version, so I got this adapter. I can do it the other way. Alright, so let me just quickly show you up close what it looks like. So it's quite small, as you can see when I'm holding it, and it's quite comfortable. And it comes with instructions leaflet. One side is in Chinese and the other side is in English. So this is the caution part, and this part is the instructions. So when you plug the power on, you press the start key, and the default temperature is 350 or 300. You set the temperature with the up and down arrows. So the temperature will go up by 5 degrees every time you press. And after 3 seconds, if you don't press it anymore, then the temperature will be set and the solder iron will start working. So if there's a deviation in the set temperature, you can recalibrate the solder iron. So this is an example how you recalibrate. You have to press the star asterisk key to go into calibration mode and press the down arrow. Then after 3 seconds you will go back to your normal the temperature that you set. And if you want to turn it off, press the asterisk button again. So let's quickly power this on and see. So I haven't really used it yet, so this is the first time I'm using it, so I have to be careful. Just put away the box so that I don't accidentally burn them. Let me just plug this in. So I've already got power. So okay guys, I've connected this to the power point. So what you need to do is just press this button for 3 seconds. It was working just now, yes. So the temperature will start going up. The default temperature was about 350. This is how you set the temperature. Once you set it, it will go up. Just now it was 290. So this is obviously too hot, but it actually works. So you can then adjust the temperature down. And so that's how it works. So I think it's a pretty good iron. It seems that the temperature goes up and down quite fast. See that? Yeah, so I think this is quite a good temperature or soldering iron. So let me recalibrating is, I think you press this one. No, this one is turning off. You want to turn it on? I don't understand why when you have to press quite a long time for it to turn on. Yeah, sometimes it turns on quickly, sometimes it doesn't, so... Oh, I see, okay. So just press quickly, it will turn on. Just press 3 seconds, it will turn off. So you don't have to press and hold for a long time, just quickly. Alright, so I think this is quite a good iron, and I like the temperature control part. So hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, cheers.